Coming up on another one of my favorite areas in Rockford to go. I've taken quite a few videos of it, including walking across this bridge. Excuse me, train trestle, not just bridge. But I don't know. When I was younger, I explored bear caves. I climbed rocks in Letchworth State Park and another state park in New York State. I just enjoy areas like this. But this is a spillway by the river. This new walk bridge over there that you see is a couple years old, but I really only discovered it last year. I wish I discovered it sooner, but it is what it is. Back in New York State at Cuba, New York, at the lake in Cuba, New York, I used to go to the spillway and we'd go sit behind the falls. It was pretty cool. But it's nothing to see wildlife down here, whether it's geese, hawks, once in a while a fox, obviously squirrels, rabbits, and as you can see there's fishermen down here. Over in there's a fishing hole. It's just a nice place to go to get away from the rat race. See you on the other side. Wanted to sneak in a view from the under the walk bridge. There's a good view of the spillway actually. That old building there turning into a motel, hotel, however you want to call it. Rockford is full of old abandoned buildings that are just gorgeous, and they're putting up all these cookie cutter businesses and leaving these old buildings to rot. So it's good to see that somebody's actually doing something with the buildings. There's a lot of debris in the river now. Of course, it is the end of winter. It's to be expected. Well, let's continue on my journey. Okay, here's a view from on top of the walk bridge. There's more old abandoned buildings in the distance that they're not doing anything with. It's a shame. But there's the river again. Right up there at the end of the bridge is a fishing hole. That's where a lot of people go to fish legally and illegally. There's the skyline of Rockford. Next weekend, weather permitting and time permitting, I plan on going over across that street into that field by the bridge over there and doing some animal tracking. It's well known that there are coyotes in that area, possibly a bobcat or two, definitely raccoons, muskrats, obviously geese, squirrels, rabbits. There's a fox running around there, so I enjoy going to see what tracks I can see. Also, there's a brand new radio tower that, I don't know if you can see it, but right there in the middle of the screen. So that attracts hawks and other birds of prey. So anyhow, changing gears, coming up on the backside of Davis Park, aka Founders Landing, which was very popular back in the industrial days for Rockford. You can see they're doing work here. They cleared all that out. That was all full of trees. I don't really know the purpose of why they did that. It wasn't hurting anything. But it is what it is. Another view from this side of the river. There's the walk bridge again. There's the train trestle I might walk that later on in the year. I don't know. Don't quote me. There's the radio tower. You can see it. There's usually all kinds of animal tracks over in that area, and I love it. Right here is where later in the spring and the summer and even the fall, it's not uncommon to see this area full of Canadian geese. Some people are afraid of them because they can be aggressive, but mostly they're timid. They will come up to you if you try to feed them. They're a lot of fun. I love them. Then again, I'm biased. I love all wildlife. There's the building that they're working on again. There's some more of the downtown scenery, well, outskirts downtown scenery. This is Davis Park. This is Founders Landing right here. I'm not sure of the whole history behind it. I guess that's a problem. Hopefully you can hear me okay. It's windy out all of a sudden. If you can't, then I apologize. There used to be a bridge, obviously, across right there. I'm not sure what business used to be across the river back in the day. Industrial, obviously. But now it's a sports arena, a sports factory. And I don't understand this, but they put a bar in a sports factory. So yeah, like, hey, let's go play some basketball. But here, hold my beer while I go shoot some hoops. Does that make sense to you? No. Another view of Founders Landing from the side. There's a newspaper tower. Here's some geese. Maybe I'll see some babies today. There's the other side of Founders Landing, Davis Park. There's some more geese right there. They have concerts on the back side of this park that I just showed you. They also do movies in the park on Friday nights, weather permitting. They hold other events here throughout the year, including, this is the gathering spot for the fireworks, which are launched over there on the other side of the bridge where we were walking earlier. Hopefully this year I'll get some good video of it. Go make your babies so I can get videos. Underneath here is the walkway under the bridge, but as you can see, well, maybe you can't see. Fix that. Maybe not, it's blurry. Sorry about that. It's all flooded out, as usual. And this right here, I love it. Remember me for the things I cherished. Nature, spring, and renewal. Family and friends. Robert Rob W. Martin. Age 32, 1990. I'm not sure what he died from. I'm not sure about his history, but I really like what that says.